no warm breath coming out, so that's negative for breathing. And you cannot feel the pulse, so negative for pulse. So for lecture purposes, you give initial blow to the casualty. So you head tilt, chin lift maneuver. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1 full blow. Okay? And then you start compression.
Yung aim, you state how to break the aim.
Airway. You open the airway. So you head tilt, chin lift maneuver. Open the airway and check for obstruction. Okay? So if there's any obstruction, you wear your gloves and finger sweep. If only, so it should be in the lower half of the sternum.